Welcome to a soothing experience, an escape from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. We're here to transport you to a place of tranquility and calm, a place where you can unwind, relax, and let your worries melt away. Picture a cozy, inviting space where a fire pit crackles and pops, casting a warm, inviting glow. It's here that we'll spend our time together, immersed in the soothing ambiance of a comfortable, inviting hearth. Ambiance, as you may know, is the character and atmosphere of a place. It's what makes a space feel inviting, cozy, and serene. It's the soft glow of a fire, the gentle hum of a quiet room, the whisper of the wind through the trees. It's a sensory experience, something that touches not just our sense of sight, but also our sense of sound, smell, and touch. Creating the right ambiance can have a profound impact on our mood and well-being. It can help us to feel more relaxed, more at ease, more present in the moment. It can create a sense of peace and calm, a respite from the noise and chaos of the outside world. But ambiance is not just about creating a peaceful atmosphere. It's also about creating a sense of connection, a sense of belonging. It's about creating a space where we can come together, share stories, and create memories. It's about creating a space where we can feel safe, loved, and cherished. So as we embark on this journey together, we invite you to let go of your worries, to let the soothing sounds of the fire pit wash over you, to let the warm glow of the flames envelop you in a comforting embrace. We invite you to immerse yourself in the experience, to let the ambiance of the fire pit transport you to a place of peace and tranquility. So sit back, relax, and let the ambiance of the fire pit carry you away. Let it create a soothing, peaceful atmosphere that envelops you in warmth and comfort. Let it transport you to a place where you can unwind, relax, and let your worries melt away. Prepare to immerse yourself in the warmth and comfort of our virtual fireplace. Can you hear that? The gentle crackling of the fire like a comforting whisper. It's a symphony of nature, a soothing lullaby composed by the elements themselves. Each crackle is like a tiny spark of joy, a fleeting moment that leaves a lasting impression on our hearts. The crackling fire has a rhythm, a mesmerizing cadence that can lull you into a state of calm. It's a rhythm that has been played out for thousands of years, ever since the first humans huddled around a fire for warmth and safety. It's a rhythm that we, as a species, are intimately familiar with. Think about it, the crackling fire is more than just a sound. It's a reminder of our past, a connection to our ancestors who once sat around similar fires. It's a symbol of our survival, our ability to harness the power of nature for our own needs. And yet in our modern world, we often forget about this simple pleasure. We're so caught up in the noise of our daily lives, the constant barrage of information and stimulation, that we forget to stop and listen to the world around us. But the crackling fire is there, waiting to be heard. The crackling fire is a form of therapy, a natural stress reliever. The sound alone can help to reduce anxiety, promote relaxation, and even improve sleep. It's a sound that can transport us to a place of serenity, a place where our worries seem insignificant in the grand scheme of things. So why not take a moment to listen? Close your eyes and let the crackling fire take center stage. Let it remind you of simpler times, of nights spent under the stars, of stories told around the campfire. Let it reconnect you with the world, with nature, and with yourself. The crackling fire is not just a sound, it's an experience. It's a journey into the depths of our own minds, a journey that can lead us to a place of peace and tranquility. So sit back, relax, and let the crackling sound of the fire transport you to a world of calm and relaxation. Let the crackling fire carry away your worries. Every flame in the fire tells a story, a dance of warmth and light. Each flame's dance is a mesmerizing ballet of elements, a chorus of heat and light that sways and twirls in the cool night air. The flames flit and dart, they leap and twirl, they flicker and weave, each a dancer in their own right, each with a tale to tell. Observe how the flames dance. They move with an innate rhythm, a harmonious choreography that's both spontaneous and disciplined. It's as if they're under the command of a hidden maestro, conducting an orchestra of light and heat in a symphony of the elements. The flames move with a grace and elegance that's truly captivating, a performance that commands our attention, our fascination. Watching the dance of flames can be a form of meditation. It's a spectacle that invites us to lose ourselves in its movement, its rhythm, its story. The dance of the flames is a journey into the heart of the fire, a voyage into the essence of warmth and light. It's a mesmerizing display that invites us to set aside our thoughts, our worries, our distractions, and simply be present in the moment, to be entranced by the dance of the flames. The dance of the flames is a testament to the power of fire, a testament to its ability to captivate us, to draw us in, to mesmerize us. It's a testament to the allure of the elemental, the primal, the fundamental. The dance of the flames is a spectacle that transcends time and place, a spectacle that's as old as the discovery of fire itself, a spectacle that's as captivating now as it was to our ancestors thousands of years ago. The dance of the flames is a spectacle of warmth and light, a spectacle of movement and rhythm, a spectacle of elemental beauty. It's a spectacle that invites us to be present, to be mindful, to be captivated. It's a spectacle that invites us to meditate on the dance of the flames, to lose ourselves in their movement, their rhythm, their story. Let the dancing flames captivate your senses. Scene script. Feel the heat, the warmth that radiates from the fire, enveloping you in a cozy blanket. The warmth of the fire is more than just a physical sensation. It's a comforting presence, a timeless symbol of security and home. It's a feeling that's as old as humanity itself, a primal connection to our ancestors who first harnessed the power of fire. Imagine them, huddled around their own fires, seeking refuge from the dark, cold night just as we do now. The fire's heat reaches out to you, inviting you closer. It's a beacon in the darkness, a lighthouse guiding you to a safe harbor. It's the heart of the hearth, the center of the home. It's where we gather, where we share stories and laughter, where we find comfort on the chilliest of nights. The warmth of the fire is a balm for the soul. It's a tangible reminder that no matter how cold the world may seem, there's always a place where you can find warmth and light. It's a place of respite, a sanctuary from the storm. It's where we can let go of our worries, if only for a little while, and simply bask in the glow. Warmth is more than just a temperature. It's a state of being. It's the feeling of a hot cup of cocoa on a snowy day, a warm blanket on a chilly evening, a crackling fire on a starlit night. It's the sensation of comfort and contentment, of peace and relaxation. It's a whisper in the ear, a gentle reminder that you are safe, you are loved, you are home. Warmth is a healer. It soothes aches and pains, eases tension and stress. It's a friend who wraps an arm around your shoulders when you're feeling low, a mother's hug when you're scared, a lover's touch when you're lonely. It's a promise that everything will be all right, a reassurance that you're not alone. Let the warmth of the fire soothe you. Let it wash over you, melting away your worries and fears. Let it wrap you in its embrace, reminding you of the simple comforts of life. Let it fill you with a sense of peace and tranquility, a feeling of home. Let the warmth of the fire soothe you. Imagine the smell of the fire, the scent of wood smoke that fills the air. There's something about the smell of a fire that is simultaneously comforting and invigorating. It's a scent that has been with us since the dawn of humanity, a primal reminder of our ancestors who first harnessed the power of flame. It's a scent that brings to mind tales told around a campfire, the warmth of a hearth on a cold winter's night, and the camaraderie of friends gathered around a fire pit. The aroma of burning wood is a symphony of scents. The sweet, resinous smell of pine, the earthy tones of oak, the sharp scent of cedar. Each type of wood imparts its own unique fragrance to the air, a signature that is as distinctive as a fingerprint. And then there's the smell of the smoke itself. It's a complex, layered aroma that changes as the fire burns. At first, it's a fresh, sharp scent as the flames catch hold of the wood. Then, as the fire settles into a steady burn, the smoke takes on a deeper, richer tone. It's a scent that can transport us to different times and places, that can evoke memories and emotions as potent as any photograph or song. The smell of the fire is not just about the scent of burning wood and smoke. It's also the smell of roasting marshmallows, of hot dogs sizzling on a stick, of chestnuts popping in the embers. It's the smell of shared meals, of laughter and conversation, of moments that become memories. In the grand tapestry of our senses, the sense of smell is often overlooked. Yet it's one of the most powerful tools we have for evoking memories and emotions. A single whiff of wood smoke can transport us back to childhood camping trips, to cozy winter evenings spent by the fireplace, to memorable nights spent with friends around a fire pit. So as you sit by the fire, breathe in deeply. Let the smell of the fire envelop you. Let it stir your memories. Let it evoke your emotions. Let the smell of the fire take you on a journey. As our fire starts to fade, so too does the intensity of our day. The flickering flames that once danced so vivaciously now slowly diminish, mirroring the gradual transition from day to night, from activity to tranquility. The fire's once vibrant glow is now a mellow warmth, the embers softly glowing, a stark contrast to the fiery spectacle of just a few hours ago. The once vigorous crackling of burning wood is now softened to a quiet whisper, a gentle lullaby beckoning the world to rest. The fire, in its final stages, is a symbol of closure, a sign that the day's trials and tribulations are now behind us, just as the consumed logs are remnants of a once robust fire. As the fire dwindles, it allows us to reflect, to look back on the day, to appreciate our victories, no matter how small, and learn from our defeats. It's a gentle reminder that every day has its end, that there is a time for action and a time for rest. As the flames flicker and fade, our minds follow suit, transitioning from the hustle and bustle of the day to a state of tranquility and calm. The dying fire is a symbol of peace, a quiet moment of reflection, and a gentle nudge towards rest and rejuvenation. It signifies the end of one day and the promise of a new one. It encourages us to let go of our worries, our fears, and our stress, just as it lets go of its flames. As the fire burns out, it doesn't just signify the end, it also represents a beginning, the start of restful sleep, the start of dreams, and the start of a new day. The fire's end is not an end in itself, it's a transition, a change, a shift from one state to another. As the fire fades, so too does your stress, leaving you in a state of peace and calm. Even after the fire is gone, its warmth lingers, a comforting afterglow. As we journey past the flames, through the embers and into the tranquil calm, we find ourselves in the gentle embrace of the fire's residual warmth. It's here in the afterglow where the fire continues to touch us, subtly, almost imperceptibly, yet profoundly. The fire's afterglow is more than just the physical warmth that radiates from the spent embers. It's a feeling, a state of being. It's the lingering sense of comfort, of safety, of home. It's the echo of stories shared, of laughter echoed, and of moments cherished. It's the soft whisper of the fire's song, a lullaby that soothes us into a state of deep relaxation. There's something inherently calming about the afterglow. It's as if the fire, having danced its vibrant dance and sung its crackling song, has finally settled into a quiet slumber, leaving behind a soft, warm blanket of peace. This is the fire's gift to us, a gift that continues to give, even after the flames have faded. The afterglow of a fire can help to promote relaxation and sleep. Its gentle warmth, its soft light, and its soothing sound can lull us into a state of restful tranquility. It's as if the fire, in its final act, is gently rocking us to sleep, wrapping us in its warm embrace and whispering sweet dreams into our ears. The fire's afterglow is a testament to the fire's life, a life that was vibrant, warm, and full of energy. And yet, even in its quiet slumber, the fire continues to touch us, to comfort us, to soothe us. It's a reminder that even after the fire has gone, its spirit lingers on, a comforting afterglow that continues to warm our hearts and soothe our souls. May the afterglow of the fire linger with you, creating a sense of peace and tranquility. Let it be a gentle reminder of the fire's warmth, of its vibrant dance, of its crackling song, and let it guide you into a state of deep relaxation, a state of restful sleep, a state of peace and tranquility.